All right. Let's start this short session named Julius Gishane. I'll be short data structures. Welcome to this session. We want to look at the outline brief. The course outline this unit of Duchess. Let me share my screen. Then you'll be able to see, let me display the document that we want to look at this time. All right, I'm sure now you can see it on your screen. There it is. We expand it, do a zoom there, and there we are. All right, so data source, just looking at some information there. Data structure, unit code is BIT102. For students also doing a BBIT, we have students also taking this unit as so here, Bachelor of Business IT. Business IT. Okay, then my courses are there, and my on content. We also hope to have. I will be available on Mondays from 11 to take any queries. I'm inviting you for that on the big blue button as well as on WhatsApp. So just be in class. This is also an important session for you to participate and more interaction with online learning. But remember, during the class time, it is mandatory that you be online in one year. Make sure that you participate. The Ilato, there will be discussion force where I'm sure you'll be given information on that, and I will also be giving some further explanations on forums and what is required to participate at class time. It is very, very important that you log in and participate in what activities of the class. Well, for now, just very briefly, I don't intend to look at every detail in the document of course outline, but here they are, the expected learning outcomes. Please at these, just a few drive that you, upon successful complete courses, should be able to describe the use of data structures, explain the operations for maintaining common structures, recognize the associated themes and operations and the complexities, design and apply appropriate structure for computing problems, develop computer programs to implement data structures and related algorithms. There's the ability to design simple algorithms for solving computing problems and solve problems independently. And here we have a table describing how we hope to cover this unit week by week, and also the content. So again, I don't intend to every detail here. So I will let you look at it at your own time. It's available at the portal. And download it or just read it there. So, just highlight is that, of course, we have the introduction. Look at some key terms in this kind of an area. So we have definition of terms, describe what are data structures, is just laying the ground for the following weeks and content. So we'll be looking, of course, at various data structures, including the array, which you should be familiar with. Of course, revealing a few concepts like pseudocode and the future in the issue of developing an algorithm. Then we'll come to terminology, of course. Some definitions will be doing, but also looking at them practically is a concept of abstract data. This, of course, is the whole of this unit. Looking at data type, it's also important to review concept types. Every programming language talks about types. If it is in C, in C++, in Java, whichever, because it's about data and information. So how do you deal with the storage? So you store data in terms of its type. So in a language like C, you talk of data types like char, we have just int, the float, the double, etc. But now we build up from that and we go to abstract data types. So what are these? So we'll be coming to that as we move on. So of course, this will consume most of the unit time because we'll be checking at different abstract data types and discuss them in terms of what they are or how do they relate in terms of usage in the computer and computer science and implementing IT systems. So we have quite a number of them, as you can see. We have about lists. We'll talk about stacks. We'll talk about queues. We'll talk about trees. And if when the time allows, we should be able to look also at other types of abstract data types. In the process of looking at some of these data types, of course, we have a few other concepts that are not necessarily data types per se, but they are actually associated with the concept of the abstract data types. So we have, like in this case, you can see here in week 8, the concepts of something called infix, percent postfix expression. This is just about arithmetic expressions, and we'll see how an abstract data type called the stack is used in the conversion of these expressions from one to the other. For example, you have an infix, and then you can convert it to all to a fixed expression. So we'll be looking at that later as we move on. Since we're dealing with the issues of algorithms, of course, we need to talk about a few algorithms, and especially those that have to do with sorting and searching. So how do you develop an algorithm who can help you to do sorting? Sorting is organizing data into some order. We normally talk about in a setting order, but also what about suppose you have data in a structure. We call a structure. we're calling a data structure is actually is like a tool for organizing and storing. It's even say it's like a container is a virtual container folder. So you create this, and then so when you have this, so suppose you have this is stored, you don't know what data is stored there, only that you want to pull it out, display it on your screen. So how do you search? So you need to do a search, and then so the system has found it, then display it on your screen. These particular, then of course the system informed not found like that. So we always are doing that. We do a lot of searching, or searching for data, searching for information, like you do in Google. You don't talk about Google. That's exactly what we're doing. You type in, then the system searches and brings you some sources. It displays possible sources that have the kind of information you may be looking for. And so it's a Google is searching. Google is a searching engine. We'll of course look at this. We hope as much as possible. So of course some of this is a lot requires quite some time. And so we will I will of course require you to participate in the process, especially doing a lot of extra reading and study beyond our class discussions. Of course, we'll also be having our usual coursework. So this table does show the probable dates for doing our coursework. Like in this case, you see here, this is assignment 1, which we hope to do in our 5th consecutive week, June. This is in the present day of the unit in the timetable. So that June, cut 1 in week 7, 17th June. Assignment 2, first July, but cut 2 and the final exam. Cut 2, as I say, attend there to be addressed, because we're still looking how things develop with the issue of the coronavirus. So we don't know we'll be able to have come back. Maybe have cut 2, and the issue is that we're not sure we will be able to do it. Not really online. Kind of we are there and be able to do it on paper, but I mean in terms of just issuing paper copies. But we'll see. So as be more clear that, or like just a sit in. So is that well? We wait to see. We pray, trust. So that's about looking at the course outline. The others are more of repeat details. I'm sure you're familiar with these assessment criteria. There are assignments and cards. How we will be assessed. So they have a lead at the end of the unit. Then a few books listed here, but now that this is online, I'll be providing guidelines as to how we get resources to access online, maybe some PDF documents, but some maybe websites where you can access more information related to this particular unit and content. Also, now I think that's all I can say for now. We should be able to share once we are able to meet online in one way or the other, and always send me some always send me any comments by WhatsApp. You can also call and let me know if there is more information that you need, and of course I'll be willing to let be available. Then we can share more. For now, I think that's sufficient in terms of the course outline. Yes, as I said, feel free to contact me in any way. You have the phone number, do WhatsApp, do SMS. Let's keep communication going through all these possible means. Otherwise, thank you for listening. Goodbye.